Hey, what are you making again?
Rigatoni.
Why you always get that smile when you see the camera on? Rigatoni! If you didn't know the camera was on, you said Rigatoni. I already told you like 2 minutes
I
ago.
already told you.
Now I'm just kidding.
I'm not making a full box because we don't eat the box.
Yeah. Are you sure we need all these breadsticks?
I don't know how many's in that. This one.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure. It feels like there's a couple in there, like 3 or 4.
Yeah.
All right. Should that be done soon?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm hungry. I thought Ryvre was coming today.
No, they had off again today.
Oh, you
Today's their
have
last
you have a game to go to,
No, it's canceled because there was no school.
huh?
There was no school, so they can't do it.
Why would they schedule a game
I don't know.
if they didn't have school?
Or maybe they didn't. Maybe I missed it.
No, I think the Pope died. That's why they
Oh,
can't.
that could be. Yeah.
Yeah, Bentley. Bentley, you want to go outside? Should I let him out, please? Should I let him out?
Yeah.
Looks like he wants.
Well, there was a wasp out there, so I didn't let him out. It was like right over there.
If he gets stung once, he's done.
I know.
He'll never go out there again.
I know.
I gotta cut the grass, so I gotta go out there and.
We're building dreams, stacking up the love. Every moment shines like stars above. Hold my hand, let the world fade away. Together we can face whatever comes our way. Let's make a promise, just me and you. Baby, what are we going to do? I'm so in love with you. Baby, what are we going to do? Our love is strong, it's tried and true. In the heartbeat of the city we shine bright. With every step we dance through the night. No matter the worry, I'll be by your side. We'll conquer it all. Baby, what are we going to do? I'm so in love with you. Baby, what are we going to do? Our love is strong, it's tried and true.
He said it was almost done. I was out there cutting half the grass. I thought he said. What are you looking for, babe? The spaghetti thing?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, thanks for cooking. the meatballs earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is good.
Oh, Ryvre is coming home. Ryvre is coming home.
I know, I heard her. She said she was coming till Friday or something.
Yeah.
I just thought she was coming right after. Oh, they didn't have to speak.
No.
Good.
I already ate. I'm really late.
Good. That's good summertime.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but they sting to die.
What do you have in your hair?
Mom's got big ass gel.
She took that camping with her.
I know!
Like,
They don't have a smaller size.
you could put
Well, they
them
have a
in,
smaller size, but still
you
big.
could put them in jars.
Yeah, they have one.
Oh yeah, you can put in the spray one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing is huge.
That's not camping friendly.
I didn't even use it. I mean,
It was good. Oh, babe, that was delicious.
thank you.
Luckily, I took a nap before this.
Oh, yeah, you would have got the items.
Dang, his nails are getting long.
Yeah. Just so fast. I don't know why.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You've been through the ringer. They could make a movie of your life, everything that you've been through. And I can't believe I get to call you my wife. From the day I met you, even through the internet, I knew you were the one made just for me. And after Ruby Tuesday and our out of town day, you looked at me and proudly said, "You made it. Let's get on and watch the kids grow. Make our love from pure gold. Travel around the whole world singing. You made it. You and Jasmine and Sierra, the family I care for. I walk by the mirror saying, you made it. We were married on Christmas. Yeah. Shelly, Boo, and me against the world, but your body was missing. Something that was saved by your little girl. She helped her mother by helping another. A birthday present you'll never forget. I'm so happy you've recovered. Can't live without you. I'm so happy I can say, let's get old and watch the kids grow. Take our love from yours. Travel around the whole world saying, you made it. You and Jasmine and Sierra, the family I care for. I'll spend the rest of my life singing, you made it. Shelly, everybody loves you. Jenny, Sarah can't get enough of you. Heart and soul from up above. They just wanna say that they all love you. Even your granddaughter, little River, wants you to know that you're every bit of the perfect grandmother people dream of. And we're all happy cause you made it. Get old and watch the kids make our love.
What's up?
Hi. I'm recording myself. It's called a selfie.
No, you're not.
Look at glasses.
Oh, thank God. Happy.
Hey, babe. I'm done for today.
The video.
Okay.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.